What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Money Star 365 here. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you're all having a good night wherever you are in the world. I want to do this video on the infinity profit system, and I want to tell you guys why I think this is a system that every single marketer should have, okay? For one thing, aside from the fact that it gives you an opportunity to earn residual income, meaning you earn income every single month from the people that you refer, the people that join you in the business. You earn either 25 or 100, or in some cases both, depending on if they sign up for both levels, okay? Now, that in itself is impressive. But the second thing that I really do like about this system is the fact that you can house multiple business opportunities inside the system. Now, what I mean by multiple business opportunities, I'm going to go here to the income offer section and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right. See, this is my sponsor, Kimberly Crawford. Some of you guys may have not heard of her, but this is what she does, okay? These are her income offers. Earn easy commissions, earn $1 per lead, get paid to learn Facebook ads, and get paid to text. Now, these are her business opportunities that she could promote inside the system to her prospects, okay? So when you do get your own infinity profit system, you'll have the same option to promote your businesses, whether it's 2 or 3 or 4. You can promote that inside the system, and that way you can earn additional sales inside the system, without actually showing your link to your prospects, which is kind of cool. Okay. Not only that, but if you saw in the beginning, you saw a video right here, the Meet Your Sponsor video. Okay. Now, what this does is it allows the person that you're sponsoring to get a more in-depth view of you by you creating a little short video of what it is that you're about, what it is that you want to provide to the person, in terms of like helping them and things like that. Also below down here, you would have your social media links if you're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, things like that. And that right there shows real-time updates showing people that are making money with this system, whether they're making money or whether they're purchasing their starter level package, their basic level package, or they're paying their hosting fees for the month. Okay, which is actually pretty cool too. So it's real time right there at the bottom. Okay. Again, you have the 2 levels. You have the starter level, which is $25, and you have the basic level, which is $100. So with the basic level, of course, you get more features to it, built-in autoresponder, and some more in-depth training as well, plus some additional features. But with the starter package, it's pretty much straightforward. You'll actually let me click on the starter level here. Okay, see, so you get your trainings here, you can add your income streams here, and you have your own blog. Right, I already have a blog though, so I probably won't even use this one, but it's pretty cool to know that you'll have an additional blog as well to use to promote your brand or your products or whatever the case may be. Now another thing also, you have your marketing here. You have your capture pages here, which are actually pretty cool too. You can keep track of your stats as well, and so many other things inside this system. But again, for me, what sold me on this system is the fact that you can house your businesses, your multiple business opportunities inside this system. Okay. I've never seen a system that has multiple business opportunities inside of it that can be held inside of the system, it's a game changer for me, in a sense that there are certain businesses that I like to promote, and I can have them all right there in one spot so my prospects can see them, and if they choose to join them, they can join them as well. So instead of me having to go through different links, trying to promote different products or services, everything is right there in one shot. All right. So again, you have your 2 levels, your basic and your starter. And once you sign up for one of them, you'll have access to the system tutorials, and then you can start your promotion. Okay. But at the end of the day, guys, if you have any questions about the system, and before I forget, you do earn residuals, like I said earlier. Just want to make sure you guys understand that you earn residuals every month from anyone that joins the system. Okay, if they join at the starter level, you'll get $25 per month for as long as they keep the system. If they join at the basic level, you get $100 per month for as long as they have the system. Which again, residual income, you can't really go wrong with that. Which is something that everybody wants to have nowadays, even if they don't want to admit it. But residual income does help in the long run. All right, so Again, guys, check it out. If you have any questions for me, leave a comment below. I'll leave you my link. You can check it out for yourself. I hope you all have a good night. Hope you all have a great day tomorrow. And take care. All right.